Imagine you're watching a painter high on a billboard, swaying in the breeze, when a loose rope slips. He grabs the frame just in time, heart pounding. That's how fast it happens. Working at height is no joke. Falls are a top workplace killer. OSHA clocked over 1,000 fatal falls in US construction alone last year, and 2025's not slowing down. Today, we're diving into work at height risk assessments, why they're your secret weapon, how to nail them, and what happens when you don't. We'll unpack real-life stories that hit hard and share tips to keep your crew safe. Hang on, you'll walk away with a clear plan to stop falls before they start, plus a push to make safety stick. Why should you care? Falls, shred, lives. Workers end up in casts, wheelchairs, or worse, leaving families to pick up the pieces. In 2024, fall-related injuries cost businesses $60 billion. Hospital bills, lawsuits, projects stalled. A mason in Florida missed a step on a scaffold last summer. Neck injury, no work, no rent, life unraveled. Companies hurt too. A New Jersey contractor shelled out $150,000 in fines after a fall exposed sloppy safety. Risk assessments cut through that. They're your early warning system, catching weak railings or bad weather before someone drops. It's not about red tape, it's about bringing everyone home. Let's unpack how to do it right. The risk assessment process is your blueprint. Picture 3 buckets. The job, like installing HVAC on a roof. The place, think icy ledges or crowded platforms. And the people, greenhorns, tired pros, or folks cutting corners. Your mission? Spot trouble. Cracked ladders, dangling tools, gusty winds. Then lean on the hierarchy of controls. First, nix the height, use a drone for inspections. Can't? Swap riskier setups, pick a lift over a rickety ladder, build defenses, scaffolds with toe boards, nets below. Set rules, limit hours, train hard. Last resort, gear up, full body harnesses, hard hats. Site in Illinois botched this in 2024. No nets, no checks. A worker fell, broke both legs, $100,000 hit. Cover every angle, task, place, people, and you're solid. Real stories drive it home. Let's hit 3 cases where skipping assessments cost big. First, a Seattle tower job in 2023. A welder on a high beam had no lanyard, slipped on frost, fell 30 feet, dead on impact. Hazard? Icy surface, no fall gear. An assessment would have screamed for de-icing and harnesses. Worker might have walked away. Instead, family grieves, firms out $200,000 in penalties. Second, an Arizona warehouse last year. A stocker climbed racks, no anchor, floor slick with oil. Down he went, spine shattered. Assessment missed the spill and PPE gaps. Price? Lifelong disability, $400,000 settlement. Third, a Boston Reno this January. Carpenter left a hammer on a ledge, it dropped. Bashed a guy's shoulder below. No tool tethers, no plan. Surgery cost $40,000, job froze. These aren't just oops moments, they're lessons etched in pain. Assessments could have stopped everyone. So how do you make assessments work? Best practices keep you sharp. Walk the site with fresh eyes, check ropes, test platforms, scan for clutter. Bring your team, they spot what you miss. A rigger in Oregon caught a loose bolt last month, saved a crane job. Write it down, use a checklist, anchors tight, edges guarded, boots grippy. Keep it live, reassess if clouds roll in or gear changes. A Colorado crew dodged a fall in 2024 by checking scaffolds post-storm, no slips. Train like it's life or death, teach tying off, spotting drops. A Virginia site halved incidents last year with weekly drills. Talk it up. Morning huddles, hazard boards, make safety loud. Monitor, roam during shifts, catch lazy habits. Review every job, every month. It's not one and done, it's your rhythm. You don't have to go it alone. Tools and resources got your back. OSHA's fall protection rules, 19, 26.501 for construction, are your starting line, free online. HSE's work at Height Guide lays it out plain. Grab it at hse.gov.uk. Apps like iAuditor let you log risks on your phone, snap a wobbly rail, send it to the boss. Checklists from Safety plus Health magazine cover scaffolds to harnesses. Print them, use them, training's a must. OSHA's 10-hour course, IOSH's Height Safety Program, or local safety councils build know-how. A supervisor in Nevada took NEBOSH last fall and his site's clean since. Tap the National Safety Council webinars, stats, mentors. Your move. Start now, run an assessment, train your crew, make it real. One check could save a life. This is your wake-up. Assessments catch what kills: bad gear, dumb shortcuts, blind spots. You've got the steps, the stakes, the stories. Now make it count. Share this with your team, your boss. One watch could rewrite their safety story. Falls don't have to win. Swing by hsestudy.in for free templates, training hooks, and HSE tricks. Love this? Hit subscribe and turn on the bell. New safety drops every week. Let's keep the heights safe. See you next time.